Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to a ramble session. Yes, and no, this is not being filtered. No, there is nothing wrong with my microphone. What you hear is that I am so sick. Okay, so sick. But yeah, yesterday my voice was actually better than it is today. At any rate, I thought I'd come on. I hope this isn't, too hard to understand me or whatever, but I needed to work in my room and I thought, well, I'd bring you along. This is actually like the first time. What I'm going to do here is maybe do something like that to cover up the whatchamacallit, the thermometer, because believe it or not, I don't have a fever and haven't had a fever. Yeah. So let's see. I don't know. We'll play. We'll see what we can do. I thought, yeah, I mean, like, seriously, guys, I'm sick again for the third time in 2 months. Like, I don't know what's going on other than I work with a bunch of people, little people, that spew germs everywhere. And yes, I do wear my mask, even though we're actually not even required to wear a mask. Like, if we're not directly, like, right in front of a kid or whatever, we don't have to wear them in the office anymore. Like, all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, that gives you a little tidbit on mask wearing. Anyhow, this week has been a shite week, okay? Like, completely hellacious. I don't know how else to explain it. Aside from me being sick, I went to work and did whatever. Unfortunately, let's see what I'm gonna do here first so I can kind of like walk and chew gum at the same time. Okay, this is gonna be the first time I'm actually doing like a week spread, because I haven't journaled in here since the last of January, and this is my February beginning page, and this right here is a Wezette from Emmy Lou Arts. So stinking cute. So I did that, and then on these, this is just going to be a double spread. I wonder, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to put this up here like that. Let me move some of this stuff. I took the easy way out and I cut my stuff out, and then I just put it onto sticker paper with my Xyron. So that's what we're doing. But I guess I need to pop this Wezette on here right quick. I mean, I sound a lot worse than I feel, if that makes any sense at all. Yeah. I mean, now what did I just do with the Wezette? Are you kidding me? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, it's been a week, okay? It's been a week. I'm sorry I did not get a video out last Monday. On Monday is when I actually started feeling sick, like, again, I should say. And I also didn't get one out because last weekend we, on Sunday, my family, my husband, my kids, and I went to go have a visit with my grandmother, who was in hospice, and that was very difficult. So yeah, we all went and said our goodbyes, and she passed away on this past Wednesday. So wait a second, now I'm confusing myself. We went to go visit there, which was a Sunday. This was a Monday, so this is Tuesday the 1st. Okay, so I did the wrong, possibly, It was Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let's see if I did this correctly. I don't even know. My mind is muddled. Yeah, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday the 1st. Yeah, so I'm going to do just a double page spread because I basically, like, you know, I went to work and let me get a bone folder out here. I hope you guys can understand me. Like, I mean, obviously, if the video's up and you're watching it, then I've already watched it. I always at least listen to my videos back while I'm uploading them because that's the only way that I know what links to put in for you guys. So, yeah, I want to make sure, you know, if I need to link anybody or whatever, that I do so. And so, yeah, if you guys are seeing this, then, you know, it's not too awfully painful. I don't know. So, like I said, I took the easy way out and used my big Xyron machine, which one of you lovely subscribers sent to me years ago. I think we're probably going to do this. Maybe. Well, we're doing it now because, you know. And these, again, you know I've mentioned it a bunch of times. These are my own letter stickers. I just make them myself, you know, because I don't purchase letter stickers. I don't particularly like them. You know my reasoning why, because, you know, there never seem to be enough, like, of the letters, you know what I mean? So I just write it out on, well, like anything, like copy paper, sketchbook paper, whatever. I just write them out myself. And then put them through my Xyron or just simply glue them on. You know, I cut them out and glue them on. So, oh, not week F. Well, I don't know. Anyway, week of, and then I do need to put like a, I don't know, like week of, maybe I'll just write it in. I don't know what I'm doing. So there's that. And then this down here, like I wrote out more letters, and believe it or not, you know what? Maybe I threw it away already. I don't know. My sweet son had gifted me these Tombow ABT Pro markers, and they're alcohol markers, right? Now that one works fine. See that? That one works fine. But this light blue one was like completely dried out already, and he just got them for me, like, maybe for my birthday? I can't remember. I don't know. Anyway, they were running out, and so they don't look real fresh, you know? And so on here, on this strip, it says feeling puny, and I put this on here because A, I am feeling very puny, and B, that was one of the things that my grandmother used to always say, you know, like when she wasn't feeling well. She was 96, by the way. And yes, this is the grandmother that I spoke to every single Sunday. I don't know who I'm going to speak to on Sundays anymore. But yeah, so she always, you know, when I would say, hey, Grandma, you know, how you doing? She said, oh, I'm feeling kind of puny today. And so this is just kind of an ode to my sweet grandma. Yeah, because she just used to always say that, and you know, she was so dang cute. And so now I say it. If I'm not feeling well, yep, I'm feeling puny. So I am definitely feeling puny. Oh my goodness. And then all morning, this morning, I might have to maybe not, I don't know. Thought about outlining them, maybe not. I'm not really sure. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I do have papers in my oven, but I turned off the oven. And I did let my husband know that they were in there, so hopefully if he, you know, smells any smoke, he'll I-N-G. Okay, I'm spelling backwards, guys. Oy, oy, oy. Anyway, yeah, I'm dyeing some sketchbook papers, which I have to tell you, oh, I should have brought one in. I'm really not a fan because it's a little bit thicker And I like the sound of the crinkly paper anyway. It doesn't really matter. We're using it for the kids at school because I'll put the L over here. Because we're studying the westward expansion, you know, and we're doing a book called, you know, Going West, and I'm teaching them. I did the same project last year. I'm teaching them how to make their own journal, you know, and we're gonna do like, you know, make old-timey tape out of Scotch tape and all of that. And I have all of my stuff at school, so I can't even really like show you, you know, what's going on. But yeah. So so that's what I'm doing now, is dyeing papers, but I really just, you know, wanted to come in here and film this video for you guys so you have something on Monday to watch. And that's when I did I do something wrong here? No, it is Monday the 1st. Monday the 1st. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. Oh geez, I didn't want to do that. Yeah, when you take this sticky part off of the Xyron paper, it remains sticky, you know. So, oh, you know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. Never mind. All right, we're just gonna slap that right there because I'm just doing this rather quickly and I'm just setting it up, and I wanted to touch base with you guys because I've missed you, you know. I've really missed doing videos. I find so much joy in filming for you guys. So I hope this isn't too bad. Again, I sound a lot worse than I actually feel. So, anywho. So this was a Tuesday, so we're just going to stick that right there. Now I need the 2. Here's the 2. Yeah, so this week it was just, you know, I wasn't feeling well, of course, again. I didn't lose my voice, though, until, like, yesterday, I think. And, of course, yesterday, my daughter decides to go... Well, she didn't decide yesterday, but she went out of town for the weekend with her brother. And so she decided that she was going to leave early from work, which, you know, is fine. They wanted to leave a little bit earlier instead of waiting. And I had to teach the rest of the day, you know, like I taught from about noon on. Oh, maybe we'll just do this. Yeah, we'll just do this. There. Tuesday. This was Wednesday, so where's my Wednesday? Wednesday. And we're just gonna go like that. Tuesday. I hope my dates are right. If they're not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but whatever. Yeah, this was the 30th, the 31st, the 1st, the 2nd. Yes. Okay. All right. We're gonna do this over here, the 3rd. The 3rd was a Thursday. And so what was I saying? I don't even know. Oh, yeah. So the whole week, you know, I mean, I was worried about my grandmother and all that. And then, you know, of course, got the call on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday evening. And it was just very sad and all of that. Oh, great. How am I going to get this off of here? Oh, dear me. Look what I've done, guys. I cut it in such a way that there's not like that extra bit of plastic. There we go. So, you know, dealing with all of that and family and all that fun stuff. And I tutored 3 days this week. So it was just like a super long week. Okay. I can just tell you that right now. We're going to put that right there. The 4th, and that was a Friday, and that was just like a super, you know, just like busy day kind of thing. And then I had to sub for my daughter, and I've been sick all week, so this is how my page is turning out. Oh, I did have something else. Where did I put it? Oh man, I have like a little angel sticker for my sweet grandma. Oh, I don't know what I did with it now. It's here somewhere. There it is. A little angel sticker here that I can put on for my grandma, my sweet grandma. Right here. Anyhow, yeah, that's how my week went, you know. I'm super tired. I did tell my daughter that, you know, when you get back, I said, well, she did really appreciate me subbing for her, especially, you know, since I wasn't feeling well and I didn't really have a voice anyway. But the kids, you know, were great and all of that. The day, you know, it was fine. I survived the day. And what else? Yeah, I told her, I said, when you get back, I might have to take a mental health day. I need a mental health day, you know? So we'll see. Yeah, feeling puny. That just reminds me of my sweet grandma. And yeah, so that's all that's really been going on. I have not been coming in here. I've been sleeping in as much as I can before I go to work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, like I said, I had a super busy week at work. We're doing a bunch of projects, namely the Going West thing that I need to prep for. So I'm dyeing papers for that. And you know what an arduous task that is. So I'm getting that done. Yeah. So there is that. And that is where I've been. Yeah. And I'm really hoping to get some more decluttering videos out. I know that I keep promising them to you, but oh my word, you guys, it's like life is just cutting me down. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but it's, you know, it's just always seems to be one thing after another. So I would like to do a flip through of January because believe it or not, I do believe, with exception to the very last day, which was just a basic school day, I have journaled, I do believe, oh no, in most of the days. Okay, so there's that for you. But I did do pretty well in the month of January. So and then, like I said, this is my February. Oh, and if you're wondering what kind of journal I'm using, I am just using a Moleskine journal. It's an extra large line notebook. Not a super huge fan of it. Yeah, the background here are these Dabo ink things. You can find the link on any one of my videos because I don't know that I'm going to be linking much on this video. Yeah, I'm just really not a fan, you know. Some people really like them, some don't. I'm not a super big fan. These things, I used to use these all the time on like regular composition notebook paper. These are the watercolor crayons with a baby wipe. Got the idea from AJ's Inspired Life, Allison, and I loved them. And I still love them, don't get me wrong, but I do not love them on this paper, okay? They just don't come out like super smoothly. This was like one of my pages, you know, yeah. I mean, it's glittery and stuff, whatever, but yeah, I just didn't like the way that I don't like the way that it moves, or doesn't move in this case on this kind of paper. It does better on regular composition notebook paper or other paper that I use in my journals. So, okay, I guess I should probably stop talking so I don't lose my voice even more. But I just, you know, like I said, I wanted to let you know what was going on. Thank you for you know, asking after me and all your well wishes and all that. And yeah, I'm going to try to get better. I'm going to rest for the rest of the day after, of course, I finish dyeing all that paper for the books that we're going to be doing in school. So, oh, did I say this is Emmy Lou Arts and this is Emmy Lou Arts? All of the numbers and days are from Loveland's Life, and then this, of course, these are my own, you know, letter stickers that I just make myself out of regular paper. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for all of your support all the time. I hope y'all have a really great rest of your day and a wonderful week, and I hope to be back soon. Talk to you later. Bye for now.